Hi guys, so Halloween 2019 is done and dusted, and all we need to do now before we pack everything away is fix up a few things that didn't either work quite as expected or could be improved or broke. So this metal rubbish bin prop had an intermittent issue with the speaker on Halloween night. It worked most of the night though. But I was looking at, when I was redid the speaker, this time I siliconed the, this is one of those oral exciter made by Dayton Audio, little drivers there. So originally it comes with a little self-adhesive ring on it, which just peeled the backing off and stick it on, but seeing it's hanging upside down on the underneath this lid, it didn't stick very well and it fell off anyway. So this time I've siliconed it to it. That's pretty much set now, and I've also added a bit of a strain relief for the wires. Siliconed it to the inside of the lid. The other thing I've done is, let me get the lid out of the way. I've moved the solenoid. It used to be down there at the base and just bashing on the side, but it was a very clicky sort of thing, and nothing moved. It was sort of a tapping on the side of the bin when the effect went off. But this time I've mounted it up to push on the lid and use gravity to let the plunger fall back down again. So in the lid, as before, this plunger would sort of strike hard the first time against the side of the, when it was against the side of the lid, it would strike hard first time and then it wouldn't retract all that much. So the second and third taps weren't as strong. So it was a bit on the lame side, so I thought, well, we'll fix that up. That's one of my prop controller boards down there on the left, and the RF remote control adapter board or trigger board that's on the right. And I've got the aerial coming out through a little grommet there, because this is an all metal tin, so the remote control doesn't have a lot of range when it's cooped up inside the metal tin, so that allows it to work a bit better. So basically, with that lid on now, the effect's a lot better now, and it's louder now that the oil exciter is back on the top of the tin where it should be instead of vaguely resting against the inside. So I'll do that now, again with the remote. So I think you'll agree that the audio is pretty good there now, and the tapping of the lid is a lot better now than what it was. I've previously done a video showing the old way, so I'll just show you how that actuator works. So when I press the remote, you see it's not retracting very much there because there's nothing, the lid's not on there to push it back down again. But with the lid back on, we'll just try it again in a sec. I'll show you again. So the controller board's got a lockout delay, so when it's used with a PIR or other sensor, that it won't go off again straight away. So that should have expired by now. So let's try it again. So it's a much better thump now to the whole prop, and you actually see the movement, so a bit more of a startle. So I think that should be pretty good for Halloween 2020.